Hello, my name is Kelly Gonzalez. Let me let me tell you about my next vacation plans next month. I am going on vacation. I am going to visit Cancun in Mexico. I will spend 4 million. I am going to travel with my best friend Maria Alejandra. We are going to stay in a beautiful hotel called Canopy. Canopy by Hilton, Cancun, in the center of the city. I am going to wear a bikini, shorts, a bob gown, and a skirt. First, we are going to visit the pyramids. We are also going to visit Scar Park. Then we are going to explore Playa del Carmen and among others. Finally, we are going to visit Isla Mujeres. I will bring some hats and handbags from my vacation. Thanks.